Nestled amidst a dense vegetation of mature trees from neighboring properties, the water-cooled house sits atop a hill in the renowned Ewart Park at the highest point in Singapore. One of the most striking features of the location is the breeze that blows transversely across the terrain, providing a cool and pleasant atmosphere. A serene, reflective pond surrounds the pavilion, accentuating the feeling of serene isolation and privacy, while occasional birds dipping into the pond add an even more authentic touch of nature to the house. Designed by the renowned company Wallflower Architecture and Design, the house is an impressive example of contemporary design that prioritizes natural cooling, seamlessly integrating into the lush tropical surroundings. The innovative concept of the residence subverts the hierarchical norms of local residential planning, seeking to maximize the elevated views and visual depth of the surrounding natural environment. Upon entering the property, visitors are subtly guided by a minimalist spiral staircase, leading to the main pavilion on the second floor. The expansive and circular void connecting the entrance hall to the pavilion above provides glimpses of the wooded views around. In addition to its aesthetic beauty, the strategically positioned ponds play a key role in the thermal regulation of the residence, contributing to the natural cooling of the indoor areas on hot summer days. The creative use of water as a cooling element is evident throughout the structure, with continuous ponds along the lower and upper levels, facilitating evaporative cooling of the interior areas.